Coco inulan ng papuri mula kina Charo, Christopher, Cherry Pie at Lorna. Isa siyang genuous at napakabuting anak, kapatid at apo. Pering-puri si Coco Martin ng A-listers na kasama niya sa teleseryeng Batang Quiapo. Hindi basta-basta ang pumuri sa actor because it included the who's who in the industry like MS. Charo Santos, Christopher De Leon, Lovie Poe, Lorna Tolentino, Cherry Pie Picache, and they did it during the recent media conference for the hit series. He is a gracious artist. He makes us do our stuff well, say ni Christopher. I agree with all of the above. He's a passionate artist. He inspires people. He's a magician. He's very professional. He's multi-talented pero sa ganang akin, he is one person who works real hard. He knows the value of hard work. He works the hardest among us. So, pagpalitan mo yon, you interchange those words, work hard, hard work, that's Coco. That spells the difference, say ni Charo. I think it would be authentic. He brings out his authenticity among us actors. Iyon siguro kaya din he brings his authenticity kasi gusto niyang mailabas our true selves and to bring in our character at the same time. And also not just us bilang mga characters. Even when we're on location, he makes sure na yung nakikita ninyong shot sa Quiapo, ipapakita niya yung authentic Quiapo. Kaya noong first week, ipinakita niya talaga, showcase niya yung kahit na simpleng pagkain, yung mga tao. Gusto niyang ipakita talaga yung totoo. Faithful, loyal, aside from the gift of wisdom. I bow to the king of the Philippine industry, say naman ni LT na nakasama rin si Coco sa, ang probinsyano, sa matagal na panahon. Lahat ng sinabi ay tama, henyo, lahat. Pero sa akin, bukod sa napakahusay na artista at director ay creative genius, kailangan ninyong malaman na si Coco ay napakabuting anak, kapatid at apo, si naman ni John Estrada na nakasama din ni Coco ng matagal sa, ang probinsyano. Coco is parang mover. May gift siya to move and inspire people. Tapos as an actor, di ba, he inspires you. Yung mga hindi mo natatap na as an artist, he makes people move. He gives you the opportunity pero ikaw ang kailangan na gumawa noon. Parang siya, if you look back, he was given the opportunity pero hindi naman din mangyayari kung hindi siya gumalaw at nagsipag, say ni Cherry Pie.